Guess what time it is? It's time to cook stinging nettle soup. That's why the big gloves. I wear these when I go outside to harvest the stinging nettle, to wash it, to prep it and cut it. And then once it's cooked or dried, the sting is deactivated, and so I can toss the gloves. To make this soup, I am using the stems separate from the leaves because I want to keep that bright green color. So I add the leaves at the very, very end for only about 2 minutes, and then I blender the whole soup. The stems, I treat that more like celery or onions or carrots. I want to soften them at the beginning of the soup making. So I'm going to heat up some oil, put some onions and garlic in there, add the stems of the stinging nettle, add my broth, my potatoes, let them cook down for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my stinging nettle, puree it all, season it, and voila, stinging nettle soup. Simple, delicious, seasonal, fresh, free. What more could you want?